You were injured in an accident and you think you may be getting carpal tunnel syndrome. It brings up the question, how is carpal tunnel diagnosed? I'm Guy DiMartino, a doctor of chiropractic and Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer. The culprit in carpal tunnel syndrome is entrapment of the median nerve. The median nerve travels down the forearm through the carpal tunnel and supplies function to the thumb, next two fingers, and part of the ring finger in some people. People may complain of pain, cramping, numbness, tingling, waking up at night, or even weakness in their hand. The first part of diagnosis is taking a good history from the patient. Once the history is done and the doctor suspects carpal tunnel, there are pretty much two physical tests that can be done. The first one is Tunnel's sign. The doctor will tap along the median nerve to see if it reproduces some of the patient's symptoms. The next test is called Fallon's test. In Fallon's test, you have the patient put their hands like this, and you hold it for 15 or 30 seconds, and you go ahead and see if it reproduces the symptoms. Again, what they are doing is closing off the area where the median nerve runs. If those two tests are positive, or any one of the tests are positive, the doctor thinks that there may be carpal tunnel syndrome going on, they may recommend some electrodiagnostic testing. These come in two flavors: the NCV, or nerve conduction velocity test, which measures the sensory component or feeling component of the nerve, and the EMG test, which measures the motor or strength component of the nerve. This is how carpal tunnel is diagnosed. And why do I share this great information with you? Because if you have an understanding of what's going on, you will be more compliant with your doctor's recommendations, and you will understand how the problem started and what can happen to fix it. If you have any questions about a Northwest Indiana accident case, you can always give me a call. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a nice day.